Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are enjoying your unit number 1. Up till now we have done lesson number 1, 2 and 3. Today we are going to do lesson number 4. Let's start our lesson. Let's have a look at today's objectives. By the end of the lesson you would be able to understand about atlas, define material, identify the material of walls, doors, windows, bangles and pot. What is a material? Let's closely look at these objects. This is a door, a wall, and a pot. What are these objects made of? Have you ever think? Okay, walls are made of think. Very good, they are made of bricks. What is a door made of? Can you identify it from this picture? It is made of very good, it is made of wood. Now look at this window. We all have these windows in our homes. Yes, yes, they are shiny and they are clear. Yes, you can see through them. But what are they made of? Glass. They are made of glass. Dear students, don't forget that glass is very harmful. Don't take broken glass in your hand. Otherwise, you will get a wound. Here is another picture. Why you people are smiling? Yes, your mother have these and they are shiny. Okay, why they are shiny? They are shiny because they are made of gold. This is a pot and it is made of clay. Okay, so before starting this new slide, we'll discuss our previous slides. The glass, the brick, the clay and the wood. They all are materials. So, what is a material? By material we make things with materials. So now you know about materials? Very good. Now look at this picture. Do you remember this picture? This picture is on page number 1 of your world watch. And it was your first lesson. It was a picture of a wedding. Yes. Now this couple is going on a holiday. And their dada gives them a book called as Atlas. Why you're so worried? Atlas is a new word for you. I know it is a new word. I'll tell you what is an atlas. Atlas is a special book in which there are drawings of maps of the world and countries. And when you go to some place or you want to find out a place where it is on the earth, you take help from the atlas. Let's look at the things we learned today. We learned that windows are made of glass, wall is made of bricks, pot is made by clay, bangles are made of gold, glass, bricks, clay and gold are materials. A special book with drawings of map of the world is called as Atlas. I hope you are ready to solve this now. This exercise has been taken from your world watch and it is very easy. In question number 1, you have to match the objects with their materials. And in question number 2, you have to read the sentences and you have to tick them. That whether you have done this or not. Remember, share your homework with me on fsabine06@gmail.com. I hope you have enjoyed your lesson number 4 as well. So wait for your lesson number 5. Till then, bye bye and Allah Hafiz.